Good morning, everybody. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, shall we? So yesterday I was talking about how we might be looking at a bit of a symmetrical triangle situation. So I drew these lines in basically just to emphasize where the 50 simple and the 200 exponential and 200 simple are going. And yesterday we sort of moved down into it again. So we've got your support, you've got your resistance, you've got your support, and you've got your resistance. So that brings us up to around 93,800 if we were to do it today, basically. And then lower and lower and lower as the days draw on. The support's higher and higher and higher as the supports go on. So it's basically what I said yesterday, or it would appear to be what I said yesterday. So there is higher highs and there is lower highs. So symmetrical triangle, 50-50 formation sort of thing going on. So that is unfortunately the deal. I say unfortunately, it just means it's a bit boring. You know, it's nothing worse than trading within a triangle, even if it is a volatile triangle. 200 exponential still being a bit of a problem. It's a death cross, basically. It's where we were rejected from so significantly after that Trump pump. Momentum has reset, though. If we look over to the money flow index, we're creeping down below 20, and the money is still moving up. So quite a decent response from the support here. So bang, bang, up a fair little bit, really. So I'm not going to complain about the way it's responding. But we want to see a move in either direction. Now, it wasn't just crypto, obviously, was it yesterday? There's a fair bit going on with stocks. Stocks broke down below this trend line now. So pretty powerful. You can see it on the S&P here without the futures pre-market. A pretty nasty looking situation, I have to say. But as nasty as it looks, we do have a bit of bull div brewing on this one now, so we could be looking at a turnaround on this. Let's have a look on the high term time frames again. No bullish divergence here, but we are sitting around the 200 simple and exponential. That's a very key area, really. As we all know, it's a key area for anything to be bouncing from. Lower than that, though, it would be the 50 exponential on the weekly here, which is 5,629. And again, no turning around on momentum over here. So stocks wrecked, crypto wrecked. Potential bounce, yes, definitely. But you know, are we gonna get massively excited about what it is that we're looking at right now? Or are we going to be skeptical about everything that we see? I think it's okay to be skeptical. With Bitcoin being in this symmetrical triangle, you don't really have any real bias of which way it wants to break out. The momentum brewing in one way is cancelled out by a short signal, but sort of brewing on another. So yeah, while in a triangle, just allow for it to meander. And then you could, if you want to, you can trade a breakout or a breakdown, and that would be a confirmation once you've closed below it. Candle body close out above it. Okay, cool. Then you look for continuation in that particular direction. At the moment, we're looking to do this probably for the rest of the week, maybe even through to the weekend, unless of course something significant happens, you know, in all other markets, and then it'll just follow through association, like it a little bit did, like it kind of did yesterday. Right, there's nothing much more to say. I don't really want to take up too much of your time. Ethereum very close to get into my shakeout area, 2,100 daily closing, but even though it did go down there yesterday, it sort of bounced back up and closed above, so I can't consider myself ready to be shaken out, but it's still getting very close to being shaken out of this for a little while now. But it's still not there yet. So that is it. I shall leave it with you now. There is nothing much more to say. Keep your eyes on the prize and trade safe, really. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.